Hi, Edward. Would you like to talk a little bit about where you're from and what's your business?
Okay, my name's Edward Nutter and I've got a business called Nutter's Gutters. We work particularly in Brisbane, Ipswich and Northern Gold Coast area and expanding. We've been going for 11 years and our core business is gutter cleaning and solar panel cleaning.
Oh, that's fantastic. And I think you were telling me you have gone on to about, in total, 40,000 roofs over 10 years?
30 to 40,000 roofs in about 11 years, yeah. So we've had plenty of experience, and a critical factor of being on a roof, of course, is safety. So
Yeah.
we're all height safety trained, and we use the appropriate products that we need to use to make it as safe as possible getting on and off the roof.
And how long have you been using Lockjaw Ladder Grip?
Probably Lockjaw Ladder Grip now. I think I started probably about 8 or so years ago. I came across it at maybe one of the height safety shops, I think, and just tried it out, and it's been a great success for our business. Because
And what do you like about it?
I like its simple use of operation, and particularly when you use it and attach it to the gutter, it does like a jaw, just locks onto the gutter and stops that sliding, because the most dangerous part for us or anyone working on a roof is getting off the ladder and onto the roof and off the roof and onto the ladder. That's the most dangerous part. Once you're on the roof and attached, that's pretty safe, but it's getting on it. So we've got to minimise, or we've got to stop totally 100% that slip of the ladder, and the Lockjaw does the job great.
Oh, thanks very much.